Hello and welcome to St Margaret's Church in Warnham. I'm Jules and I'm the vicar. And it's from this church that we've been running the photo competition, Nature the Way I See It. It's part of a thing we've been calling Theme Green, which is our great big eco and environmental project here. And today we're going to announce the winners of the competition. So I've got with me one of the competition judges, Sean Collins.
Thanks, Jules. Nature the Way I See It was a challenge we set for the young people in the Horsham district. Photos came in over August and September. The oldest entrant was 18 and the youngest was 3.5.
Amazing. Sean, I think you've got the winners for me.
I have indeed.
Thank you very much. Here we go. In third place is Lucas Andrews with Garden Worlds. In second place is Samantha Verrall with Comma Butterfly. And in first place, the winner of the under 9s category with the secret B is Henry Smith. Next, we've got the 9 to 13-year-olds category. In third place is Natasha Ball with Where Time Stands Still. In second place is Dexter Chandler with Three-way Decision. And in first place, the winner of the 9 to 13-year-old group is, with the big climb, Ivan Gunning. And lastly, in the 14 to 18-year-old group, in third place, we've got Tanya Forbes with the bee jar. In second place, we've got Hannah Dold with bee acrobatics. And in first place, the winner of the 14 to 18-year-old category with Under the Leaves is Holly Longdon. Thank you everyone. Thank you for taking part. Well done to the winners, and a big thanks to all the judges and organisers and parents. Thank you. Nature the Way I See It.